she don't know how to speak English sef. English oh. Let me see wahala oh. Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are fine. So guys, I want to talk about this person, and I didn't know the person actually. Is a comment I saw in Ogi Family TV. Sorry if I didn't pronounce the name properly. Ogi Family YouTube Phone TV, something like that. So where she did one video explaining to her viewers how she moved from Italy to Germany. You get me? So after that video, someone go to a comment section, drop one comment there that, are you stop saying that your husband is begging? Are you proud that your husband is begging? Okay, if she didn't say it now, maybe she said that when her husband was in Germany, was in Italy, he has one big office that they are working. You will say that they are living fake life. You are the one that will come out and be saying that they are living fake life. Come, babe, boy, because I will call you boy or babe because, hey, I don't know you particularly, but what you just did is very wrong. Like me, I watch their video every time. Even before I started my YouTube channel, which I will start YouTube channel for you. Now I dey watch them because you know why? They give me joy. They make me laugh. Whenever I feel bored, I just go to that their channel. I watch them. I will be happy. If I watch them any video at all, I don't drop comment. I'm not used to that. Sometimes I don't drop comments. I just walk up past my own. Some people will just come and be typing. The other one said, in case I forget, the one said, she don't know how to speak English sef. English oh. Let me see wahala oh. Nigeria, I don't know. If in another country now they do those things now, when I go they clap hands. Love yourself, love your neighbor as you love yourself. But this will not be like that again. Oh. They love neighbor now, you know now they love on self again. Now neighbor now come they love. Now don't turn her upside down. Which is no fair, oh, I beg. You know stop all these things now. They blast comment back and front. Now you know how to type pass. People will know how to. If you know say you go school, now you know how to speak English, but posh English. Suppose they office, sit down, carry laptop, they press the computer. You're not supposed to date YouTube. They watch people video, or they comment. We need to wise up, oh, Nigeria people, because don't want a Nigeria person where you write that write up for them. We all drop that comment. Now Nigeria. You dey hear me so? Now you know how to write pass. Now you know how to type pass. If you watch video finish, you don't want to write, you know come on for them. Must you drop comments? You be dropping useless comments. Eh? Love yourself as you love others. Yes. No, they love only another country. You know, love your whole country. We be Nigeria. Who English he help? Eh? We help. I know say English is very important though, but that's why I like all those other countries then. Africa, especially Ghana. They like their language so much. They speak their Ghanaian language. They speak their language. But if now we they hide our language because we don't want need them no say I'm from so place, I'm from this one, and English now we want the phone to the speak. If you see who come out see pidgin, no problem. If you speak English, a problem. Eh? Corrector must be the worst. You want corrector to speak English. You want correct and say her husband and so you go do shoroti. Mind you, most of the European country, they do shoroti. Maybe some people, sorry, maybe some of you don't know what is shoroti. Shoroti means when you go to any supermarket or any bar to beg money. You understand? Yeah, in Italy, most people do that here. Many people come here, they don't get document. If you don't get document for years, especially this Italy, so now mostly the European country, you know if you work. If you don't get document, you know if you work for Italy here. And if you even get the document safe, you know go see work. You know many people that have document that see on the street beg doing shoroti. You don't know how it is here in Europe. So stop saying that. Because na Nigeria, another person there. Sister na Nigeria na day. If she go carry a level now here, una will say she go carry am. If she go dey do bad thing now, say she go carry go and she go thief now, or your husband go thief now. Una will see come and now see blast am for back. Say I go the thief. I know begging is a sin, but what is a way to survive here in Italy, in Europe? You know me say maybe you get work or your husband get work or you get work or any of your family get work. Another life don't finish. No, they think no, don't do that. Don't think like that. Eh? Nigeria, we need to love ourselves. Love yourself as you love another country. Love your country first. We too they do. We too know now they worry us. We Nigerians. We don't support each other. We know they support. We know they support. It's not good. Stop that. You if you know you are the one commenting, you go to any and they always they all those bad comments. If you don't want to comment, you work hard, you pass. So guys, I'm not here for saga. I'm not here for saga. I know some people will also that right up there, they will run back here. This is a reaction. What do they call it? Is a reaction video. Yes, it's a reaction video about Obi's family's one of a video like that that she made with her husband. So it's a reaction video. It's not a saga video, mind you. I don't do saga. God forbid. I reject it in Jesus' name. Who is that? Who enter the YouTube and want to do saga? I reject it too. Obi family channel, please. I love you. I love you, my lady. Keep doing the good work. Keep making us laugh. As for me, I dey enjoy them. I enjoy those plans because I laugh whenever I watch your video. You understand? I love it so much. God bless you and your family. Please do not forget to give this video big thumbs up. Give a thumbs up for me. And also subscribe to my channel. Share with others. Yeah, I will be coming here to give you tough video. Okay, I want to leave you guys here. See you all in my next video. Bye.